A taste of Italy Amatriciana story. Pasta Amatriciana. This dish is a classic. It comes from Amatrice, a town in Italy. People love this dish. It's simple but flavorful. The sauce is made with tomatoes. It also has cured pork and a special cheese. This cheese is called Pecorino Romano. It adds a sharp and salty taste. Amatriciana is best with bucatini pasta, but you can use spaghetti too. Let's gather our ingredients. We need guanciale. This is cured pork cheek. If you can't find it, use pancetta. We also need San Marzano tomatoes. They are sweeter. And of course, Pecorino Romano cheese. Here's what you need. 1 pound bucatini pasta, 1/4 pound guanciale, diced, 1 28-ounce can San Marzano tomatoes, crushed, 1/2 cup grated Pecorino Romano cheese, plus more for serving, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, and salt and black pepper to taste. First, cook the pasta. Follow the package directions. Next, make the sauce. Cook the guanciale in a large skillet. Cook until crispy. Add the tomatoes and red pepper flakes. Simmer for 15 minutes. Drain the pasta. Add it to the sauce. Toss to coat. Stir in the Pecorino Romano cheese. Section 4. Tips from Nonna's secrets to success. Use good quality ingredients. This makes a big difference. Don't overcook the pasta. It should be al dente. Add a splash of pasta water to the sauce. This helps it stick to the pasta. Taste and adjust the seasoning before serving. Section 5. Buon Appetito. Enjoy your delicious creation. There you have it. Pasta Amatriciana is easy to make. It's a delicious taste of Italy. Remember to use quality ingredients. Follow the steps and tips. Enjoy.